Don't be intimidated by the stock market. Use these tips. The world of investing in the stock market can be lucrative. It is the allure of using your money to make more money that makes it so attractive. However, the reality is that it isn't so easy. You can increase your chances for success in investing by becoming knowledgeable and by making prudent choices. Use the information gathered in this video to help you find success in the world of investing. Do not look at investing in the stock market as a hobby. It is something that has a lot of risk involved and it should be taken very seriously. If you do not have enough time, effort and patience to take it seriously, then you should not get yourself involved with it. Keep in mind that stocks are more than pieces of paper used for trading purposes. As a shareholder, you, along with all the other company shareholders, are part of a group that collectively owns a portion of the company. As a partial owner, you are entitled to claims on assets and earnings. In some instances, you may be able to vote on corporate leadership. Do your research. Before buying any stocks, thoroughly research the company. Study its financial history and how the stocks have performed over the last 10 years. Earnings and sales should have increased by 10% over the prior year, and the company's debt should be less. If you have difficulty understanding the information, talk to a financial advisor or broker with a good track record in stock investing. There is no doubt that investing in the stock market can be a lucrative way to make money. Fortunes can sometimes be made overnight, but they can also be lost just as quickly. Therefore, arming yourself with proper knowledge is a must. Apply the tips from this video to your investment strategies, in order to help you invest successfully. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.